Oh my god, is Bitcoin is crashing right now or not, guys? In today's video I will share the latest update, but first of all, if you are losing money in crypto, guys, so join my free signal group on Telegram, link is in description, guys. Every day on Telegram I share 5 to 10 signal completely free, guys. So if you want to trade with me, join my Telegram group, link is in description, guys. BTC is completely on a strong resistance zone, guys. So obviously it's necessary for a BTC that it will take rejection from this level. According to my own view, guys, I'm 80%, 80 to 90% scenario is that, guy, that the price will dump, guys. The price will dump up to this level, up to possibilities that the price will dump to $64,000, guys. $64,000. There is a scenario, guys, that the price will dump, guys. So it's the best time, perfect time for opening a sell position in a BTC, guys. By the way, what's your opinion, what's your prediction for BTC? Please tell me in the comment box. For more latest update, join us on Telegram, link is in description.